Good morning and a hearty welcome to my few faithful followers. This morning it's the third episode of my OnePot Wonders Series 3 of Cooking with Coobs. And today I'm going to do one-pot chicken and broccoli bake. So to start, we'll crush our garlic, prepare our onion, slice our tomatoes, mash up the herbs finely chopped. I hope you can see, all from my garden. Rosemary, basil, thyme, and flat leaf parsley. Right, so I will chop this up quickly. Note how I chop all the garlic and onions with my fingernails facing frontwards so as not to cut my fingers. I mix all the herbs before I chop them, because they'll be mixed in the dish anyway. Cup of washed tomatoes, not from my garden. Don't have to go too mad about it, just halve them. Sweet potatoes, just halve them. Back again. I'm going to par cook these in the microwave for about 4 or 5 minutes. Half a head of broccoli. Chop the stems short and up a little. That's the broccoli already. Right, half a cup of olive oil and a good tablespoonful of balsamic vinegar. There we go. Balsamic, tablespoonful, a little bit more. Oven is ready. I've got it up to 180, actually about 190, 200, because it needs a bit more heat. I'm going to do it in about 35 to 40 minutes. Now I'm going to start mixing the ingredients, and this will go quickly. I'm using my beautiful Corningware again. Behold. First, a little olive oil spray to the inside. Stop sticking. And I'll put in my chicken that's been marinating in a little yogurt with olive oil and salt and pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice. Space out my chicken breasts. There you go. Put my parboiled sweet potatoes between them. That's it. Put all my broccoli on top with all the little crumbs which I must not get on the floor under pain of death. Once I've added the tomatoes and herbs, heaped cup of sliced in half tomatoes, a cup of chopped onion and garlic, sprinkle that over. Oh, this is going to taste pretty good, I think. Don't lose the last bit of garlic. Cup of those herbs that I chopped up. That's a little bit of flat parsley, rosemary, oregano, and a little thyme. Always got a bit of thyme. Sprinkle my olive oil mix over everything. A little balsamic and olive oil, there's a bit of water in there as well. Sprinkle of white pepper. Teaspoonful of salt, sea salt, mind you, nothing but the best. I'll add a little of this Himalayan salt, which gives it a nice flavour. Don't want to put too much on. A little black pepper. This is my black pepper. Dash of chili. This I need a teaspoon to make it. It's frightfully hot. There's chopped up chilies to mix. Oh, just about burns your eyes out to smell it. That's probably a little bit more than I need. With all this waiting, it's giving me a thirst. So, with chicken, we'll have some white wine. I'm chopping a little of the lemon that was left over onto the dish. Once cooked, it'll be deliciously sweet. And over the whole concoction, I will grate some of this delicious Parmesan cheese, and then I can call it chicken Parmesan. Yeah, voila. Thank you. Looks good enough to eat already. Okay, now into the oven. So, cheers. Pretty good, look at that. That should be a very tasty meal. While the oven is hot, I'll bake my homemade bread that's been rising. Well, there we have it. Delicious meal, prepared relatively easily. I'll let you know how it tastes. Absolutely delicious. Our bread's come out of the oven and it looks pretty good, I must say. As for our lunch, if you like your vegetables half raw and a watery runny sauce, you would have loved this lunch today. Next time I'll add a bit of cream and maizena to thicken it a little, just before the end, and I will cook it for about another 10 minutes. But having said that, the flavours were absolutely superb. So, until we meet again, this is Coobs saying, arrivederci and hasta luego. Cheers. Not too bad. Improves with standing. Smile a while, you bid me sad adieu. When the clouds roll by, I'll come to you. Da 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 dum, da 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 da. Till we meet again.